And today we are going to be attacking the kids with this awesome set, and I did say set, of water guns. Check these out. They have these large capacity water holders. They also have the smaller capacity water holders, so you do get 2 water holders per water pistol. Very, very cool. These are fully automatic. They're electric. You just hold the trigger down and you can see they go. They're fast fill. I'm going to show you that real quick. You just hit the little button on here and it drops the water tank. You're going to open up the little lid and then just take your hose and fill it up just like that. Then once it's full, just reinstall it and you're ready to go. How cool is that? Let's go ahead now. We're going to go surprise attack the kids.
When you finally let someone in and give you some help. It's funny how you finally feel like yourself when you finally let someone in and give you some help. Hey, yeah, gotta get what you want, gotta get what you need. Better take all you get, my love, 'cause you know it don't come for free. Every little thing you want, every little thing you need. Keep it all for yourself, my love, 'cause it really don't matter to me. I know you're wrong, I feel the pain.
So as you can see, these are super fun for summertime fun. They shoot very fast. It's not too strong that it hurts, but it shoots far enough that you get nice distance. It's a fun activity for the kids to get them outside running around, and they get to cool off from the summer heat. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.